I ordered something from Nars website, some last chance stuff, like, they had sale going on. I'll show you on the website what, sales they have going on right now. So I've never ordered from the Nars, like cosmetics. Usually I always order from other places, right? So we'll be looking at it for the first time because I just cut the tape off, that's all. I haven't looked at it inside because it just came today. So let's open it up, and okay, I'm just going to lift it up. What I ordered. Okay, so there is this slip which I'm not going to show. That's like the order slip. And then, oh, this is not good. Okay, anyway, this looks beautiful, right? It has this Nars here. It looks so nice. But look at it. Okay, I'm going to be careful so it doesn't fall off. But there's no stuffing inside. I thought that because when I was holding it, everything was shaky inside, and I was like, why is it all shaking? And so see what they've done inside. No stuffing in the box. That's not good. I just hope everything is fine. So this is what I got, guys. The Nars palette. It's the Extreme Eyeshadow. Where is the other one? This one I need to be careful. So yeah, and also, okay, I don't find any note in it, which is really disappointing because I had put a beautiful note in there because I did it as a gift pack. So I put a beautiful note in there, and there's nothing inside it. Kind of motivating myself. I put a note for myself just to motivate me, but it's not there. So anyway, so let me show you guys what I got. So this one is the Extreme Effects eyeshadow palette, and it was on sale for $29. I saw even on Nordstrom website it was on sale, but it was $39 because it's retailed at $59. And I'm looking for this, and this is a limited edition. So if you're looking for this, then you can go ahead and check that out in that site. So let's look at that. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Thank God, I don't see any damage, because usually people are always complaining about this black eyeshadow that it's shattered most of the time. I don't know why, but yeah, it looks a little powdery, but it's fine. It looks good. Okay, so that is the shadow, guys. Beautiful, right? I feel like it has all the colors that I go for. This beautiful color, this reddish peachy color. Then there is these 4 are mattes. So very nice, like transition and colors kind of. So I loved all those 4 colors. And then there is this metallic bronze, like bronze here, the metallic golden coppery color that I like. There's a black also, and there is also this kind of this light color, right? So that's the palette, and really nice. So $29, I was like, okay, I'm going to get it. And on the Nars website, if $35, then you get free shipping. So I was looking for something else to buy. I came across this beautiful, this is a single eyeshadow, and you guys know how I love the blue color. I do have a lot of blues, but this looked a little different. Let me see how it looked, because on the website I can show you it's so bright. Let's see how it looks. This is the Showgirl single eyeshadow, and let's open it up and see how it looks. It doesn't look as shiny as I saw on the website. On the website it looked really, really shiny, but it's not looking that shiny here. Oh, I haven't even turned it toward, okay, there we go. Look at that, guys, blue. I don't know, I expected it to be more like shine, like if I show you on the side. Actually it's looking lighter on the screen, but it's not looking darker in real. But let's see the swatch. It's a nice blue color though. I don't think I have this kind of blue with me. It's a little different blue. So that is how it looks. Oh, I don't know if you are able to see, if it is even focusing. It does look pretty, right? It's a nice blue with like a little bit of shine on it. That's the reason I wanted to get it. It looked metallic on the website there, but it doesn't seem to be that metallic. But anyway, so that's it guys, the Showgirl. And that's all I got, 2 things. And on the website, right, if you click on the last chance, you will see all these things which are on sale here. Let me show you how bright the blue looked. That's not the blue, this one, okay? Look at that. Look at that picture, and the blue looks so nice and very metallic and nice blue, right? But in actual, it isn't like that much. It's not as bright, I would say, or metallic as you see it here. This was $13.50 guys. So I think they are retailed at $19, and this one was $13.50, which still feels a lot. I could have bought a palette. So that's it guys. I just wanted to kind of do this unboxing in front of you guys. And this box in the back, look at that. It has like all the shades in there. It's like a purple color. So I like that it has like the purpley and the orangey brown kind of shades that I love. So that's it guys. These are the 2 things I got from the Nars website. So bye guys. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below and hit the like button. Bye guys.